All right, so we are off on a 44-mile bike ride today. We're gonna hit some roads that I haven't been on, gravel roads, do some exploring. We're gonna go out to the boat launch, the Gulf, and today I'm bringing with me Bob and Tracy. Hey. This is new territory for us. This is Allen Park Road. We're going to take this out for a few miles. This is all going to be gravel. I'm not even sure what it looks like, but these guys are ready. Let's go. I think that's where we were actually supposed to be going by. So I don't know if we're going to be able to get much further than this because the other roads are residential and they're gated off, but we're going to look at the gates anyway and see. Hello, Shadow. Howdy.
Hi. Going on YouTube?
Yep.
Oh yeah, I'm gonna be famous.
I know, I heard that. You guys are gonna be famous too.
Top of the world, like nothing's ever gonna bring me down. This feeling got me flying high as a bird. I may never touch the ground. It may not be my birthday, but I just wanna celebrate. I just wanna celebrate, 'cause it's a good day, good life. I just wanna celebrate all night. There's magic coursing throughout my veins. I don't want it to stop. I feel invincible in every way. I'ma give it all I got. It may not be my birthday, but I just wanna celebrate.